Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can back up your contacts to Gmail. First of all, it is very important to back up your contacts to a cloud storage like Gmail, so that if you lost your phone or you lost your SIM card for any reasons, you can easily be able to access your contacts back when you log in into your email that you backed up the contact into. So click on the contact menu here. You click on the contacts menu, it will take you to the page like this. Click on the plus icon here. Once you click on it, it will ask you to fill these details. This is normally the details you fill whenever you are saving one number, but because I already backed up my contacts to my Gmail here, so if you click on these options, you can also save contact to any of the Gmail that is available on your phone, instead of saving it on your phone or on your SIM. So you can choose these third options here, which says Google. So when you choose this third option, it will allow you to back up your contacts on your email rather than your SIM or on your phone. That's how to go about that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.